Welcome to the SSRS in Real World course, where you will learn how to create professional reports from scratch, considering business aspects that may affect your work. My name is Andrea. I am a solution architect and software engineer. My experience is based on think, design and realize several reports for national and international customers. My interest in data presentation and solution design was the right recipe to do so. After this course, you will be able to answer confidently to any report request. How? By learning from direct hands-on experience in a competitive business context. You will make your customers satisfied and your colleagues amazed. Major components you will find in this course are installation, ID overview, your first report, report design, and at the end, report design in a real world. I designed this course for reporting beginner developers who are going to build professional reports for their new or actual company, keeping in mind that theory and practice sometimes are not enough without a real-world experience. Feel free to take a look at the course description and explore more if you like it.